Hello, this is DJ with Lee Engineering, and today I'm going to talk about foundation preservation through the installation of a foundation watering system. So this is very pertinent in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, really all of North Texas and even other parts of Texas, because most of you out there probably have clay soils under your house and on your property. So the key thing about clay soils is that they expand a lot more than loam and sand, and they contract a lot more than loam or sand. So if you, in the time we're in right now, if you walk outside and you see your soils, or there's inch cracks or there's separation between your foundation and your soils, then it is because it is way too dry. So the clay soils are contracting, and it's causing movement in your house, and it's causing those foundation cracks or those hairline cosmetic cracks or doors to not shut or not open. And then maybe in the winter, it gets a little bit better, or it shifts in a different way, and it just builds upon itself and causes more foundation issues. So the common thing that people do to try to fix this is to go and buy a black soaker hose from any of the home improvement stores, and then just hook it onto your hose bib and in your front flower bed and run it around the side of the house, and then hook another one maybe on a Y splitter on your hose bib and run it around the other side. Okay, you're putting water around your foundation, but it's incorrect, because right along the front of the house, you're putting a lot, and then once you get towards the back of the sides, you're putting very little, because it is not pressure compensating or pressure regulated. You are not putting an even amount of water around the entire foundation. The other thing to consider, and this with our system, with our pressure compensating, self-cleaning drip line, it is the same amount of water every 18 inches all the way around the house. Okay, so your entire foundation gets the same amount, unless there are situations where you need to change it up. And in that case, that is why most, if not all, of our foundation watering systems are at least 2 zones on your existing sprinkler system. This allows us or you to make changes to one of the zones and drop the run time to put less water, and make changes to the other one, maybe lift it more if that's a very sunny area, an area that gets a lot of sunlight all day, and then the other side of the house gets a lot of shade. Those are going to have to be watered differently. So just one zone around your house is not going to be the best solution, because areas around your house needs different amounts of water. So also the other thing to consider is trees. Many of you might love the crepe myrtles sitting right next to your house, but the issue with trees like that is that they suck a lot of water out from under your foundation. They will grab water anywhere their root zones are. So it is key to keep those watered, and preferably keep them watered on the opposite side of the house. So to promote the root growth away from the house, and to promote the taking of the water from away from the house instead of under the house. So if you'd like to hear anything more about the foundation watering system, you can contact our office at 817-277-6022, or go to our website at lee-engineering.com. Thanks, have a good day.